Next up, I'm going to show you how to solve the ALEKS problem, highlighting the tetrahedral stereogenic center. So what we're looking for in this compound is to identify that carbon that has 4 different elements attached to it, or 4 compounds. Tips, we're only going to focus on those carbons that are on the main chain. So kind of these carbons, these 2 carbons here, for instance, that make up that main chain of the molecule. And then the second one is, with this question, you're searching for carbons with 4 different elements attached. And then for CH2, CH3, or any double bonds that we kind of see, we're for the most part good to just kind of write an X near it, so we know that it's not going to count. So like these outside ones right here, you can feel free to just write an X. They're not going to count. So I focus on right here now on this first carbon, and I see with this carbon I have a CH3 up here and a CH3 on the other side of it. So because both of those are strictly CH3s in the same thing, I know that this carbon right here will not count. So I'll go ahead and erase that out of there. So know that carbon won't be one of them. Next up, I'll focus on my carbon that I have on this other side right here. And again, I notice the same thing. I have a CH3 right here, a CH3 right here, and a CH3 right here. So because those are all the same, this one will not count. Next, I go over to my other carbon. I see that I have a CH3 here and a CH3 here. So because I have just those 2, and again, nothing else attached to them, I know that those won't count, so I won't select those. And then we'll go into our last carbon. And with this carbon, what you want to focus on is that it's a CH right there. So we'll have an H right here, because at this point, again, everybody should know the skeletal structures. On the right side of it, we have a ethyl group. So I'll circle this ethyl, which is a CH2CH3. I have a methyl group. I'll circle a methyl right here, which is just CH3. And then I have a hydrogen here. So I'll start numbering 1, 2, 3. And so far, they're all different. And then on the other side of this carbon, I'm going to circle everything that's to the right here. And I notice that this is a CH, and it has 2 CH3s attached to it. So in parentheses, I'll type out CH3. And because I know that that's different from the other ones, because the CH and the CH3 times 2, that's different from the other ones, I could label that as 4. So because this carbon here has 4 different compounds attached to it, as you see, and feel free to screenshot it right now before I erase it. But as you see, that carbon has 4 different things attached to it. So in this question, you're pretty much good for the most part to just highlight this carbon here, and this will be your answer. So again, fairly simple. If you have any questions again on stereogenic stuff, or if this video helped you or your classmates, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.